right, we're getting in breaking inputs as we speak. We're learning that Union Home Minister Amit Shah has attacked Rahul Gandhi over the controversy brewing over Agniveer scheme. Remember, just 2 days ago, Rahul Gandhi had spoken out as far as the Agniveer scheme is concerned. He had said that only 25% of the Agniveers will be absorbed in the main forces, and that 75% of the Agniveers will be kept out and they will stay out of employment. And that is why today Amit Shah has accused Rahul Gandhi of spreading lies and confusing people. This is the latest reaction coming in from Amit Shah. Let's also listen in to what the Home Minister has to say.
मैं आज अग्निवीर योजना के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल बात इसलिए करना चाहता हूं कि देश भर में भ्रांति फैलाई जा रही है कि 4 साल के बाद 75% अग्निवीरों को कोई भविष्य ही नहीं है, इनका जीवन बर्बाद हो जाएगा। दरअसल योजना है कि 100 बच्चे अग्निवीर बनते हैं तो उसमें से 25% तो सीधा सेना में परमानेंट पोस्टिंग हो जाएगा। राहुल गांधी जी अपने पार्टी के फायदे के लिए सरासर झूठ लोगों के बीच में फैला रहे हैं और जनता को गुमराह कर रहे हैं। मेरा आप सभी से निवेदन है, आप लोग ये मेरी बात को युवाओं के लिए, पूर्व सेना के हमारे जवानों के परिवारों के बीच में ये बात को जरूर पहुंचाइए।
Let's quickly go across to Tejinder, who's joining me on the phone line with more inputs. Tejinder, important to also highlight what the Home Minister had to say in terms of the kind of relaxation that the Agniveers will also be getting, and that those who will perhaps not qualify in the armed forces will also get reservation in the BJP ruled states.
Yes, indeed. The Union Home Minister today made it clear that Rahul Gandhi has been spreading lies as far as Agniveer scheme is concerned. Rahul Gandhi, as you rightly said, had stated that 75% youth who join Agniveer, their future would be spoiled after 4 years of service. They will have no employment avenues. But today, Union Home Minister made it clear that all the BJP ruled states, they have been asked to, they have promised to provide a special employment package to those Agniveers who could not, who are unable to make it to the permanent commission. Besides, the Union Home Minister also said that the Agniveers who are discharged from the service of armed forces, they would be given a reservation in paramilitary forces like BSF, CRP, SSB, ITBP. So clearly, the Union Home Minister has slammed Rahul Gandhi for spreading those lies for political gains. But he made it clear that the lies which are being spread by Congress and Congress leaders like Rahul Gandhi are not true. The youth who would be discharged, the Agniveers who would be discharged after 4 years of service would have ample employment opportunities, not only in the state governments where BJP is ruling, but also in paramilitary forces. He also made it clear that this message needs to go across to the youth because there has been a confusion which is being created by Congress party amongst youth as far as the Agniveer scheme is concerned. There are ample opportunities for the youth. They would be absorbed in government jobs in BJP ruled states as well as in the paramilitary forces across the country.
All right, many thanks to you, Tejinder, for bringing in all those latest inputs. In fact, we have